Hello guys, I just received this amazing drill from Tacklife. I'll just make an unpacking for you so we may see how the product looks like and how it feels compared to the other products on the market. So, yeah, from my experience I had a Bosch before, which at the time I think it was pretty much expensive for the price I got, because when I have seen that right now the price it's much affordable now on the new products that you may find on Amazon. This is their number. Probably you can verify the authenticity of it, and I choose this model. In a second I will show you how it looks like. Wow, that's amazing. I haven't expected that it will be transparent. I'll try to push it. Yeah, it worked. So what do we have here, guys? Here is the charger of it, which is having two lamps, one green and then one red, which means whenever the green light appears, it means that it's fully charged. So right here, this box is amazing that you have almost, I think, everything, because that's what I chose it for. When I have first looked up on it, I was like thinking that I want everything that I will need to use in my garden, in my daily routine if I will need it. And yeah, sure, I chose, with drills that I can use for making holes in the wood, and not only. That looks pretty amazing. See, I'll try one so you can see the power of it. Hopefully it works. Okay, cool. It has a very amazing feeling, so you can feel it. It's very rigid and it has a very nice texture. I would say, I think the colors I like more than the Bosch ones. Bosch are more blue ones. This one makes it like very markable, so you can really see the noise. You can choose the power of it, how powerful do you want it, probably. Oops. You may see it has a light, and straight from the box it comes already charged, so whenever you need to assemble a table or something, you don't need to put it on charge. It's kind of like you are receiving an iPhone in my opinion, because whenever you receive the new iPhone, you will get definitely like the box and the iPhone is already charged, like 60% of it. So that's pretty cool, which I like it. I like the small details that companies are making in order to perceive the customer satisfaction. You may see here the light, means how full it is. I'll try to change it. That's pretty amazing. I would say that I think everyone will need one of these in their house. So my review ends here. I have a table to do and I'll try it, and afterwards I will keep posting in comments what is my opinion of it, and yeah. But from now I will say that it's light as well. I think like after using it for a whole day, you will not feel any pain in your arm, because the other models, it's very important for drills to be equally splitted the weight of it, which in this case is doing a great job, I think. Hey guys, thank you for watching and hope you have a nice day ahead. See you. Bye.